There is a new AI tool that can make videos up to 4 minutes long. Before this, AI videos' length were very short, only about 10 to 20 seconds. People had to make each small part of the video one by one, which took a lot of time. Now, this tool can make a full video from just one prompt. This tool works best when you use a good script. The better your script is, the better your video will be. There are many ways to use this tool. You can make fun videos for YouTube, like short stories or longer videos. You can also make history videos that explain things in a simple way. Another idea is to create your own unique style by using special images and characters. You can even make ads or music videos. You can add your script, your voice, or even your own pictures. You can also choose a style, like cartoon or comic. Then the AI does all the hard work and creates the video for you. Now let's see how this AI works. First, go to the Clip Opus website using the link in the description. Then log in with your email. Once you're in, you will see the dashboard. Here, you will find different styles and animations. These will help you choose the look you want for your video. Now, write or generate your video script using ChatGPT. Then copy the script and paste it into the prompt box. Here, you will also find a voice clone option. Choose a voice that matches your video perfectly, or you can create your own custom voice. Once everything is ready, just click Confirm. Your video will be generated in a few seconds and you can use it on social media.